What if a simple chess game could unlock the secret to unimaginable wealth? Let's uncover the hidden power of compounding. Once upon a time, a clever mathematician visited a wealthy king. To showcase his knowledge, he challenged the king to a chess match. The king agreed, asking what prize the mathematician desired if he won. The mathematician humbly requested rice grains. 1 grain for the first square of the chessboard, 2 for the second, 4 for the third, doubling with each square. Amused by the modest request, the king eagerly accepted the challenge. The mathematician won, and the king began fulfilling the prize. The first row of the chessboard seemed manageable, totaling 127 grains by the 7th square. But as the doubling continued, the numbers grew absurd. 1 million grains by the 20th square, 1 billion by the 30th, and an astonishing 18 quintillion by the 64th square. This is enough rice to cover the entire earth. This is the power of compounding. Small, consistent actions lead to exponential results. The earlier one starts investing, the more time compounding has to work its magic.
This video is sponsored by BuyMote e-shopping. BuyMote e-shopping application is one of the online shopping app now available on Play Store and App Store. You can check the link in the description.
Imagine two people. One invests 5,000 rupees monthly at age 25, while the other starts at 35. By age 55, the first has 3 rupees and 5 paise crore, while the second only has 1 rupee and 2 paise crore. Start early for maximum growth. Systematic investment plans, or SIPs, make investing consistent and less risky. Picture a calendar showing 10,000 rupees invested monthly. Over 20 years at 12% returns, this grows to 2 rupees and 3 paise crore. Small steps lead to big rewards. Reinvesting returns accelerates compounding. Visualize a tree growing larger as profits are reinvested. Reinvestment is the key to exponential growth. Compounding is the secret to growth in wealth, health, and skills. Start small, stay consistent, and watch the results multiply. If this was useful, like, subscribe, and comment on your compounding journey.